How to reset TikTok password without phone number. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. After that, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok. So in order to reset your password, you need to first tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner, and you'll be able to see the options for sign up. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to tap on the login option with red color in the lower button section, and you'll be able to see the various options for login. You have to go for use phone or email address or username option. You have to switch to email or username, and you have to enter your email associated with your TikTok account, and you have to go for forget password option. Here are two options for resetting the password. Since we are trying to reset password without phone number, you have to select email, and you have to go for reset option. TikTok will send you a code to reset your password in the email that you are entering here, and you have to check your Gmail account, and here you can see I have received an email. So you have to simply copy this code and paste on the TikTok, and finally you will be able to see the reset password option over here. So before resetting the password, you need to know that the password must be of at least 8 characters, which should include 1 letter and 1 number, and also one special character which is like hashtag, question mark, and dollars and other options. And after resetting the password, you have to simply go for login, and you'll be directly logged into your account. So by following this simple step, you can reset TikTok password without phone number. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.